Hi, I'm Stacy. It's that time of year again when you get the cold weather coming in and the gray skies and overcast, and you're just really tired of it and you just want to cozy up with a warm blanket, watching a nice Christmas classic, and sipping on a cup of hot chocolate. At least that's what I like to do sometimes. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to make a hot chocolate mix that will knock your socks off. Okay, so now we're going to combine 1 1/4 cup of whole milk powder, which is already in my blender. We're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can use whatever kind you want. If you prefer a nice dark one, that'd be great. They have less sugar anyway. And then you could also choose to have, if you want milk chocolate, that would also be great. So the next ingredient is going to be 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of baking cocoa, 2 tablespoons of vanilla powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to combine these in the blender until they're well integrated. So now that our mix is done, I'm going to show you how to use it. We're going to take 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of the mix. And we're going to go ahead and heat it up in a saucepan until it's hot and creamy. Okay, so that's ready. We're going to pour it into our cup and top it with whatever you desire. I'm going to use some whipped cream because what's hot chocolate without a little whipped cream? That's it. And I hope you have a great holiday.